Hi, I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make two different pairs of earrings that will match one of the bridal combs we made in a previous video. So let's go get started. For our earrings today, we're going to use different sizes, colors, and shapes of pearls. You can use whatever you want. In fact, even a pink one in this design would tie in nicely with the pink flowers on the hair comb. For the first pair of earrings, I'm going to use bead caps, a pearl, and a Swarovski crystal on a 2.5-inch head pin. As I said in a previous video, bead caps can make a piece look more formal, which of course is fine since this is a bridal set of earrings. The final step in these earrings is to make a wrap loop on the end and then add it to the ear wire. For our statement earrings, I'll use a bead cap and a larger pearl on a 2.5-inch head pin. I'll make a wrap loop on the end. This will be the lower part of our earring. Now for the top part of the earring, I'm going to use a 2.5-inch eye pin and use 2 bead caps, a pearl, and a Swarovski crystal. Again, I'll make a wrap loop on the top so that it is secure and I can add it to the ear wire. To finish our earring, we'll open the loop that's on the bottom of the top piece of our earring, and we'll slide the bottom part on and close the loop. Then we'll open the loop on the ear wire and slide the entire thing on there. And then our earring will be done.